Hi, I'm Kristen. This is Windmills of My Hair, and this is my hair. It is kind of dry, so this is like when I wake up. So today I wanted to talk about an easy way to get your hair to be tamed and less dry. You know, give it a treatment while you're actually styling it, so that your hair, even though, what can I say? Even though it's not styled, it's not coming out. Hi, I'm Kristen. This is Windmills of My Hair, and today I wanted to tell you what I use to keep my hair conditioned and give it something to tame it while I just have it down. Because I don't want to add heat every day, but at the same time, this is how I wake up. It's huge. And it needs a treatment. It's super dry. So anyway, let me show you my secret. So here it is. It's so easy. And as usual, you can get it at CVS. Yep. I love me some CVS. It's Pantene combing cream. Combing cream. So combing cream, I mean, obviously it's going to address snarly hair, but it's a leave-in and it's very inexpensive. So if you have really super long hair, you're going to go through, I don't know how many of these, but a lot. I've already discovered that I can buy a 3-pack on Amazon for $15. And this bottle, I don't know what it sells for at CVS. I think it's like $6, but I just go through this so fast, you know. And it's great to just leave in your hair. That's the best part. It's super, well, I'll show you. First, what I do is brush it out, which means it's gonna get kind of fuzzier. I don't know. I think I'll add a clip so you can see what the back looks like, but it just gets big. But the reason why I'm like brushing it with this Mason Pearson is to get the oils through the hair too, because like I said, I don't just want to style it or keep it tame. I want to treat it as well, and the natural oils are great for your hair. Long hair, it doesn't have to be a lot of work, but you do have to take care of it. So here we are finishing up just this nice light brushing. It feels pretty good. I usually leave my hair parted in the center. Here's my Pantene combing cream. And I use a lot. I need a lot. But like I said, you can get 3 bottles of this on Amazon for only around $15. So anyway, I always start at the bottom. My hair definitely needs to be taken in smaller sections because it is so full. I'm already going through this. Yep. The great part of it, see, I didn't have it for a few days, so it kind of got really super dry. If you keep up with your treatments of this stuff, you won't have to use as much. So like I said, I missed, I think, like a week when I was waiting to get it, and that's how I discovered it on Amazon. I was like, I wonder if they have it on Amazon. And then I found that 3-pack. Here's the driest part, because she's super highlighted underneath. I think it's because she started in the back with the highlights, and she, you know, that stayed on the longest, so it got really light, which I like, but it also got super dry. So I'm going to add more Pantene to that back section. Okay. And it doesn't feel sticky. So the best part is that it just feels like, it feels water, more like I'm putting like something watery on my hair, not sticky at all. And I've used Nexus before, their leave-in. Look at already. I should have just done one side and showed you the other. Damn, I'm gonna do that next time. I do have to keep adding, but I'm adding less and less each time. And I haven't even put any on the scalp area. Because see, I'll feel around, and if it feels poofy, I just kind of finger through it with the cream on my hands. The best part about the cream is that you can get it from this palm all the way up to your fingertips really easily, so that when you're touching your strands, it's like, ooh, it's already got product. This is something, so this is like something I might even use on set. I mean, depending on the person I'm working with, but it's an option because it does just, now I'm gonna use it on the top, but very lightly. Something about how I slept over here. Okay, and see, it really just kind of almost defines that curl. I have such curly hair too in the morning. Ta-da! We are team. Yay. So that's a bonus because I would feel comfortable walking around like this. It doesn't, it's not too explosive. It's got control. And the wave, you know, gives it some style. So I think you should try it if you have a chance. It's called Pantene combing cream. As far as I think, like other products I've used, it's probably comparable to the Nexus leave-in one, but it's not as thick or as sticky as that one. The trick to getting it, like, you have to take smaller sections and really go through it like that. And that's where you're gonna define your curls or your wave pattern, is if you just kind of, that's why I like this combing cream, because when the product spreads up to your fingertips, you can really pick through your own hair and see how I can get to these kind of fuzzier areas fast. So yeah, that's what you're kind of going for a more thorough treatment, because it's, like I said, it's a treatment. You're not leaving this on your hair and, like, oh, I can hardly wait to wash this off. I didn't swear there. Did you catch that? But yeah, you do have to use a bit. So you might want to go for the 3-pack. Just kind of, when you're like pulling on your strands like this, you have to feel where your hand stops. And when your hand stops, that's probably a tangle. So if this has helped you at all, I hope that you would like or subscribe, because I love sharing my favorite products with you. And this way you can get a notification when a new one's up. Anyway, ta-da! This is so jamming with these pearls. Yes, I can see that now. Yeah, you can totally, it's just so much easier to maintain. Anyway, give it a shot. It's Pantene combing cream, and they have a lot of products, so make sure you type in the right thing. Anyways, I should put the link down. I'll put the link down to the Amazon one, and you can get that 3-pack. Save some money. Okay, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time.